Hey there, Internet. So you can see my column for my new mill is making good use as a holder for all my electronics here. Here is the X and the Y axis. I have them all done. And I don't know why, but for some reason I got inspired and decided to install these rails because I didn't want to take them off my other mill. It's kind of a mismatch with the 20 millimeter rails on the X. But anyway, it's working. I'll just do a quick demo, do a little laptop dance. So that's 2000. Let's make it go faster. Let's kick it up to 4. It's no fun if you're not breaking stuff. Here we go, 4,000. Uh-oh. Alright. That's too fast. I gotta do some tuning. The other thing I did is I made these I've been using these pieces of pulley stock here, and I made the reduction on this one, except I I don't know what I was thinking, but I put the small one where the big one should be and the big one where the small one should be. So I have to flip these back around. I super glued these in, and as I try to press them out, if I can, it'll be an interesting test to see how strong the super glue actually is in this particular application. But yeah, I ordered this nice big piece of plate, and it's working out really well. So yeah, good progress on that. The next thing to do is to finish up the headstock and the Z mount, and then I have to get the spindle array situated and figure out how to mount the motors. Anyway, thanks for watching.